ladies. Good morning. Hey, baby. Hey, how you doing this morning? All right. Oh, come on, man. That asshole ghost, brother. That guy. Oh. What the fuck are you doing? Dude, you gotta be kidding me with this shit. That fucking ghost. No. 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 What is wrong with you? Why don't you? Oh, God. This asshole. Oh, are you kidding me? When did you eat corn? Son of a bitch. Oh my God. I just gotta get ready for work.
This tells you everything you hold dear.
No.
I thought.
No. Dude, are you kidding me right now?
Very wrong.
Oh, you went to Taco Bell? Okay. First of all, we don't listen to the TV that loud. You went to Taco Bell when I was sleeping. You're sitting around smoking weed. You don't pay rent when you're alive. You don't pay rent when you're dead. What the hell is wrong with you? This is pathetic. This asshole ghost just won't leave me alone. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. No! I have to go to work! You do this every time! Son of a